Hello, this is a community education video in English by Catholic Charities Milwaukee. Today we will talk about weekly cleanings you can do to keep your kitchen clean. The kitchen is another place that can get dirty, where food and grease can leave your appliance and cabinets dirty. Today we will share some deep cleanings you can do to maintain a clean kitchen. Watch our previous videos that explain daily cleanings to help you prepare for weekly cleaning. Deep cleaning is different from room to room. To deep clean the kitchen, it means to clean behind, under, and on the outside of the stove, microwave, fridge, and cabinets to get rid of dirt and germs. It is also important to disinfect the sponges by soaking them in full-strength vinegar for 5 minutes. It is recommended to replace the sponges every 2 weeks. Disinfect brooms and mops by soaking them in warm water for 30 minutes and wash kitchen towels weekly. Grease can make your appliance, walls, and cabinets dirty and even leave your drains clogged, so weekly cleanings is needed. One way to clean grease off of things is to use baking soda and vinegar. For example, to clean the garbage disposal, you can mix both and let it sit for 10 minutes and rinse it with warm water. This will keep your garbage disposal and drains clean. If you put up newspapers to protect the walls, change it regularly so bugs don't leave behind it. Regular weekly cleanings includes tidying up your countertops, wiping down all visible surfaces, and organizing inside cabinets and drawers, and mopping the floors. Mopping the floors weekly removes sticky grease and other residue caused by preparing meals. Use a good quality mop that is easy to use and has both dry and wet pads to mop your floors. After taking out the trash daily, check for any food remaining in the bin because it can cause bacteria. Clean and sanitize trash and recycling bins and let them dry before use. Sprinkle a little bit of baking soda on it to get rid of bad smell. Doing this will keep your kitchen clean and make it monthly cleaning easier. Thank you for watching. Share this with your family and friends and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you to our sources who provided information for this video. Thank you to our partners at Milwaukee Public Schools. This video was made possible by the generous support of our grant funders.